Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be sharing the detailed tutorial on how to grip a box braid for beginner. This is the best tutorial for a beginner on how to grip box braid. Just watch this video to the end and you will never struggle gripping box braid anymore. Just what you need to do is section your hair and use your extension to divide it the way I'm doing it like this. Enjoy the rest of the video. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell and share this video to get to other beginners to enjoy this tutorial. Don't forget, this video is a full tutorial, a tutorial that you will never regret watching it. Enjoy the rest of the video. See you in my next video. Thank you.